Here's how you can add the new marquee text section on one of your Socialvore pages. So I have a blank page here, but I'm going to go ahead and add section and scroll until I find the marquee text section and hit add. And from there, I can go through and customize all of these options on the left, and then the preview will display on the right. And then once I hit save, this will go live on my website. So you can go through, adjust the padding for how much blank space you want above and below this section, adjust the height, whether or not it fits full screen or just part of the screen. You can even fade the edges, change the colors, background images, all those sorts of things, speed, which direction it goes, and even the space between these blocks. The text block section, and you can have more than one of these, is where you can customize what is actually moving across on this section. So by default, it just displays text, and whatever I type in here will appear on the right. But you can also add images, which is an interesting way to do things. And so I can go down and add something from whatever I've already uploaded to my website, or you can add something new and create whatever you want on your new page. Whenever you're ready to make this go live and see how it looks on your website, you can hit save, then go to whatever page you added this to and refresh. And then there, it will display. There's a lot you can do with this section, so play around with the settings, see what works for you, and you can make something really interesting. And that's the new marquee text section on Socialvore.